make a recap on the way how one could have traded this AUD USD move from this side to this side. Actually, it's still going below to this low. I still believe that it's still dropping to this downside. So I want us to see how one could have captured these pips from here to here where we are still are, even though I still believe that it's still dropping to this side. All the structure is still a downtrend. So this is the move we're gonna make a recap on. And today our VV is going to base in M30. Our VV, it shall be for M30. Remember our VV, as you know, VV, the V shapes, that one, then we display, meaning that we have to come back here, we get entries, we display down. Okay, when we display down, so we have made another VV. Yeah, it is a V that's displayed, meaning we have to come back, we get entries, we drop. Yeah, that is the way how the market moves, the V shapes. Okay, so now the V shape we are going to use, it's for M30, which M30 VV was reset here. Yes, I believe one could have said this one from here to this side, because it did like this, it shaped, it went down like this one. But I could have focused on this one. Why? I'm going to show you in a minute. This low to this high. So which time frame is higher than 30? It's 1 hour. So meaning that we are going to use 1 hour to shape our highs perfectly of 30 minutes and our lows of 30 minutes perfectly. We're going to use 1 hour to shape them or set them perfectly, meaning that we're going to shift to 1 hour. When we shift to 1 hour, do we see how did the candles react before displaying here? So this is it. This candle came down, this blue one, it made a low, it made a high, it tried to break this low but it failed. It came back here, it made this high, then this high, it is the one responsible for this break, this high here on this blue one, because this blue candle at first came, it made the low, it brought this high tried to bring a low lower than this one, but it failed. It closed inside, it made this high, then this high brought this downside. Okay, meaning that in M1, that is our, in H1, in 1 hour, that is our high. We are going to focus on that one, but the low we shall continuously focus on this one, because it is lower, even lower than this one, meaning that we shall focus on this one. Don't look at this week. As you see in 1 hour, this is just a week, even though in M30 it showed us that here is a candle, but we shall focus on this 1 hour. Remember, this 1 hour, just using it to shape our M30 low and high perfectly. Okay, yes, don't focus a lot on this 1 hour week. So let us shift back to our M30 to see if the highs and lows are perfectly shaped. Yeah, okay, here it shifts back, here it shifts back. Okay, yeah, not bad, this one and that one. Okay, let me just move it, I put another one, that one. Okay, so this is our low, this is our high of our VV of M30. So now what's next? Which time frame of this one of 30 minutes? It's M5. Let me just write it for you here for simplicity. for simplicity, our constant time frame is M30, and if our constant time frame is M30, our S1 time frame it's what? Our S1 time frame it's supposed to be M5, or the time frame we are supposed to use to look for liquidity, it's M5. So if our constant is M15, our S1 shall be M1. Okay. If our constant is H4, our S1 shall be M5, M30. Sorry, M30. If our constant is daily as our constant, our S1 will be H1. If our constant is weekly, our S1 shall be H4. This is time frames, the way we use time frames. So if our constant is monthly, meaning that our S1 shall be daily. Yes, shall be daily. For now, we are going to go with this one. And remember, as the way I've been doing this, if this is my M30, VV, which time frame is higher than M30? Which time frame is higher than M30? It's H1. Okay, meaning that to set these lows and these highs perfectly of M30, I'm going to use 1 hour. Okay, to set this high and the low of M30 perfectly. Let us go. So we have to refine liquidity on this low to see if we can get some liquidity here to sell, or even if we don't get liquidity here, we can liquidate from this side to find the liquidity from this side of M5, because it is the S1 unit or time frame of M30. Okay, let us M5 to see if we can get a liquidity from this side of the low. Yeah, above I'm not seeing any liquidity. So we are going to label this low, this one, liquidity. We shall explain liquidity in another video. And this one, it's lower. Remember, even in the other BTC that we did, this one is lower than this one. Meaning that still today, even today, we have 2 entry points. I will make these ones black ones. Our entry points, black ones, and our stop loss, it has to be above. So these 2 black lines are supposed to be our entry points, and the red line above, it has to give us our stop loss. So our stop loss has to be above. So we have to enter from there. Even this one, this black one, it's an entry, but we shall use this first one and we cover up even the other one, the above one, the black one. That even though the market comes back, it places us in, even it comes back here, we are still in. Good enough, we have our stop loss there. If it violates, we are safe. Yes, we shall not blow the account. Remember, we have to use risk management to favor us to stay longer in the market. So our TPs shall be below, even though as I shown you, the market has not yet reached there. So let us pull and we see how the market reacted. Let us see how the market reacted. It has placed us in from here. Okay, let us see. how it reacted. Let's start again. Displayed perfectly as I've shown you, that I still believe that it might drop to this end, but it's still on the way, it's still forming. So meaning that if you knew this already, you would have been in this entry already eating. Yeah, already eating on this movement, already enjoying this movement. How many pips so far have we moved? Let's calculate from above. How many so far? 16, 18 so far. Our stop loss is just 4. Hey, that risk to reward, you get it so far. Let us see, risk to reward already 4. First stop loss above, 4 pips above of the stop loss, and 18 pips below of the TP. Even you can get out of here if this is enough for you, but me, I would wait for here. Yeah, to eat along. Yeah, like an XA Uganda.